Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my February sampler ready. You can register for it now. Last month we did the Valentine one, so this month I'm doing like a spring sampler, and we're going to use the Storybook Friends bundle. So you will need this bundle to complete some of the projects. So let me tell you what's gonna be included in this class. It's $50 to go, and it's gonna include a package of the Storybook Friends or Storybook Moments Designer Series paper. And this Designer Series paper has a lot of cutouts in it and you know, different pieces. So you're going to use one 12 by 12 for your background, and then we're going to use the die cuts. I already have them already all punched out. I keep them in a little envelope like this, and you have all these die cuts to use. So I used all the die cuts. Really the only stamping is here, here, and over here. So this one, I'm going to send you all the pieces that you need. Let me show you how your packages will come. So like this is the cloud and the heart. I cannot stamp the cloud. This is from Adventurous Sky. So if you have that stamp set, you can stamp it. If not, you'll just use the Happy Spring from the Storybook Friends. But per Stampin' Up! Policy, I cannot stamp this cloud for you. You're going to have your package with your letters that say spring. You're going to have all your pieces for your layers on these. This piece here is to die cut this frame. And the center of this frame is this little piece here that we're just going to put behind. So you will also get a package of the antique pearls. You'll get 1 yard of the petal pink ribbon because we only use it here, but you will have an option to order it. So again, for $50, you're going to get a full pack of this Designer Series paper, the elements to make your sampler, a package of the antique pearls, a yard of the petal pink ribbon, and the PDF tutorial with step-by-step instructions to show you how to create each block. And then if you want to add the Storybook Friends bundle, the stamp set and dies, that is $55.75. I'll pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up! And I will include it in your class kit. And if you add this, you will earn a celebration item. So when you register, you'll be able to choose what celebration item you want. It's one of the $60 value or $60 items. So if you have any questions, registration will end on February 8th, and the kits will ship February 15th, the following week. So again, here's February sampler, and I will put the registration link below for you to go ahead and register. Thank you. Bye.